can generate fake status reports, purchase orders, deliverables updates, and I can liaise with sales to coordinate what custom features we need to pretend to build.
Okay, great. Yeah, but faking the box is going to be the easy part. Building the platform is the real challenge. Guilfoyle, where are we on server space?
That's gonna be tricky.
This is critical, Richard. Maybe we should SWOT this decision.
I don't know what that is, but no.
SWOT analysis.
Nope.
SWOT? No? Holy cow.
When scientists seek to understand the patterns of our world, they often turn to a powerful tool.
SWOT is a way of evaluating a decision, and you just break it down into strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats.
You're fucking joking.
That's one way of looking at it. Yes. Yes, we have created a product so far ahead of its time, people are having difficulty wrapping their heads around it.
Well, then we just need to change the platform, right? We simplify it.
Scrum?
Yes, Scrum.
Scrum. So, from rules-based filtering, we go to workflow, at which point that card is moved from the icebox into the in-progress column, and it stays there until it is ready for testing. Okay, this increases visibility into our team's progress. And that, gentlemen, is Scrum.
Hey guys, I just had a thought. Okay, so this is it, right? A lot of successful startups launched with a different business model. And when they ran into trouble, they pivoted to something new, right? Like Instagram, that was a location-based check-in service when it started, and then they pivoted. Or chat roulette, okay? That was social media, and then they pivoted to become a playground for the sexually monstrous. We just need a new idea, something that people want, right? We can pivot to.
Dude, you are fucked up right now.
Yeah, you're pinning bad.
Well, and I'm focused, and we're gonna pivot. Don't lose faith, guys, right? Look at me, look at me, look at me. We've got a great name, we've got a great team, we've got a great logo, and we've got a great name. Now we just need an idea. Let's pivot.
Well, we can't. It's not as if I don't want to, it's just that we literally can't do it. If you build an airplane and people are afraid of anything that flies, you can't just take the wings off of it, because at that point, all you're left with is a really slow, super expensive, shitty bus. No, we built an airplane, we gotta fly it.
What's the point of flying if it's fucking empty?
I think people will want to fly once they realize how cool the platform is. Guys, I know we're in a tough spot right now, and I know we needed 250,000 DAUs in order to get our next round of funding, but this is it. I think we can do this. All we gotta do is just take every last dollar that we have, which is,
$240? But don't quote me on that. I haven't run the numbers. It'd be irresponsible to estimate.
Okay, we use that money to do outreach, tutorials, user meetups, create a guerrilla marketing campaign that explains how cool the platform is. I know it's not ideal, but I really think we can pull this off.
Yeah, that seems doable.
Lie.
Or, here's another idea. We could put the platform on hold, take the money we have left, and pivot to something that doesn't require hours of explanation. You know, I've been showing people the video chat app that I hacked together, and...
You know, the theme of thinking and defining and creating is all about innovation. So my talk is about the art of innovation. So I worked at Apple. I've been a venture capitalist, an entrepreneur, an advisor to Google. I've done a lot of things, and I've learned a lot about innovation, which I would like to pass on to you now so that you may go and change the world. Okay? This is my top 10 of the art of innovation. It starts with the desire to make meaning as opposed to make money. Making meaning means that you change the world. And I think you'll notice that if you happen to change the world, you will also probably make money. But if you start off with the sole desire to make money, you probably won't make money, you won't make meaning, you won't change the world, and you will probably fail. So what I noticed in my career is that if you truly want to make meaning, it's the first step towards innovation. The second step is to make a mantra, a 2 or 3, maybe 4-word explanation of why your meaning should exist.
An organization's business model can be described with 9 basic building blocks: your customer segments, your value proposition for each segment, the channels to reach customers, customer relationships you establish, the revenue streams you generate, the key resources and key activities you require to create value, the key partners, and the cost structure of the business model. But it's not sufficient to just enumerate the 9 building blocks. What you really want to do is to map them out on a pre-structured canvas. This is what we call the business model canvas, a tool that helps you map, discuss, design, and invent new business models. Let's briefly go through the 9 building blocks, starting with the customer segments. These are all the people or organizations for which you're creating value. This includes simple users and paying customers. For each segment, you have a specific value proposition. These are the bundles of products and services that create value for your customers. The channels describe through which touchpoints you're interacting with customers and delivering value. The customer relationships outline the type of relationship you're establishing with your customers. The revenue streams make clear how and through which pricing mechanisms your business model is capturing value. Then you need to describe the infrastructure to create, deliver, and capture value. The key resources show which assets are indispensable in your business model. The key activities show which things you really need to be able to perform well. The key partners show who can help you leverage your business model, since you won't own all key resources yourself, nor will you perform all key activities. Then once you understand your business model's infrastructure, you'll also have an idea of its cost structure. So with the business model canvas, you can map out your entire business model in one image. This works for startup entrepreneurs just as well as for the most senior executives.